Hi, I'm Peyton Crosby here at Peregrine at the Perry Lane in the new reimagined space. Today I'm going to show you one of our cocktails called the Greenhouse Garden. We start with a couple ounces of a cucumber mint vodka from Kettle One. Great on its own, but it's going to play really nicely into this cocktail. We're trying to go for a very herbal and kind of floral notes. So we add a little bit of this Velvet Falernum, which is like a sugarcane liqueur, kind of sweet. Add some of more of that kind of herbaceous feeling we're going for. I'm gonna cut that a little bit with some regular sweetener. And then a little bit of lime juice, because we gotta have some citrus. And I think what really takes this drink to a different place is we add fresh herbs to it. Do a little mixture of parsley and cilantro. Drop that right in the shaker. Give this a quick shake. And this strainer actually does a double strain for me, so I'm going to use this one. Has this beautiful kind of pale green color. A little cucumber on the nose. Cheers.